Hello everybody, this is Jason F. Smith coming at you, and I think as some of you know, we have a Shades of Intimacy coming up this Friday. Today's Monday, and I wanted to show you a little bit about where I live, which is this little park and pond right here. I'm going to show you. So this is one of the favorite places that I bring my family and my tribe, and usually once or twice a year we'll come here and we'll come over to this big fire pit, and you can see it over there. I'm going to try to jump across this without getting wet. There we go. Right? Had some great meals here. Oh, nighttime things. And then in this park we'll play night games. So all sorts of games like tag, hide and go seek. I have friends that just have these crazy weird hiding games, and it's just all really cool. And we'll play, and we'll just, you know, we're adults, we're 50 years old, but we got the kids come, and I'm 50, my wife's not 50. And most of us are in our late 30s or early 40s, and we just have fun. Like, it's a tradition to have fun. So part of, you know, keeping things going in a good relationship is to have fun, you know, and as a tribe, to do vital things, as my friend Melanie Lake says. Her and her husband Wade discovered this vitality, and so we play and we work hard too. Like, as a tribe, we work hard to get better, to grow, to keep digging, and to expand. And one of the reasons that works so much for us is because we know when to have fun. Like, we'll do a whole day workshop just for the tribe. Like, the tribe will get together, and from 10 to 10 we'll work. We'll do practices. We'll just kick our asses. Each person will take a turn, you know, teaching something, and we'll push ourselves. Like, we're in workshops. We'll push ourselves as hard as any facilitator can, and we'll have more fun. And then things like that work because we balance them with times over here, you know, or wherever. We did a ropes course last year. And actually Melanie is now, I think, a ropes course facilitator. Like, she got her facilitation certification. Great place. You're hearing it here first. Eventually there's going to be some ropes up at the studio, because as the tribe went there, we learned so much about each other, and we just know that the obstacles and the challenges there are going to be really good for intimacy, really good for couples. And so it is our, I'd say, short-term goal to build a ropes course over at the property. Okay, everybody, that's a little window into Shades of Intimacy, my life, kind of the ebb and flow. I swear to God, someone always gets hurt out here one of these nights. You know what I'm talking about when we have night games. But we always pray that everyone doesn't get hurt too bad, and we all usually stay okay. I just want to share my love with you, my excitement with the upcoming event, and the fun I'm having lately, just sharing pieces of my life with you. You know, I know a lot of marketing, I've talked about this, has, you know, the suit and tie up at the top of the hill, come be like me, be rich, drive a Lambo. And I've been showing you what life is really like when you have those magical moments and you put the work in, you balance it out. And, you know, it's life, and it can be really, really good. And it really doesn't have anything to do with a Lambo, and it doesn't have anything to do with, you know, models and photo shoots. It just has to do with people who care about each other, helping each other have amazing lives. So that's what I wish for you. I care. And if you are still on the fence about Shades of Intimacy, we have some openings. In fact, have you noticed a lot of marketing? They're always saying, well, 2 seats left, you know, creating scarcity. I'm not going to lie to you. I have plenty of seats left, and I'll tell you why. I mean, I don't know at what number I would stop this. Like, if you come to me and say, I need help and I want to save my marriage, I'm going to make room for you. So I'm not going to give you the scarcity line. There's probably a time when it would get too big and I'd have to say, you come to the next one. But I don't want to put any false scarcity in. I want to show you the joy on the other side of it, and also, you know, recognize that when it's not working, it is the most painful thing in the world. So my heart goes out to you, and I offer you hope, love, and thanks, gratitude for this moment right here, right now.